top story. 11th grade chemistry teacher Mr.Boddys was found dead one morning in his lab, surrounded by a clear liquid. And now to Madison with an interview of one of the witnesses.
We're here today with the former student, Mr.Boddys, Stuart McDonald. Can you describe to us what you saw that day in the lab?
Yes, I saw his body laying lifeless on the chemistry lab floor. I instantly called for help.
Okay. That must have been traumatizing to you, was it?
Yes, it sure was.
Back to you, Caitlin.
Thank you, Madison. Said liquid was determined to have been forced upon Mr. Body, who unwillingly ingested it, and police started searching for potential suspects. Several were found, each with some motive to kill Mr. Body, and a chemical solution possibly used in the murder.
After testing several possible murder weapon solutions by reacting with one another and the murder weapon itself, it was determined that calcium chloride, which reacted the same way to other chemicals as the murder weapon, was the chemical used to kill Mr. Body.
This narrowed the suspects down to two: Miss Scarlett, who was jealous of Mr. Body's admiration from his students, and Tammy Tangerine, who had feelings for him that were never returned. The two had different concentrations of the chemical, so the murder weapon had to be tested for its similarity.
To do so, police lab technicians reacted calcium chloride's reaction with sodium carbonate, one of the chemicals that created a solid when reacted with calcium chloride, and the reaction was created on a larger scale. Using gravity filtration, 0.07 of a gram of calcium carbonate, the precipitant, was separated from the products. 7/10,000ths of a mole of the murder weapon were needed to make that much calcium carbonate.
These calculations, the lab determined that the 5 milliliter sample of the murder weapon had a concentration of 0.14 molarity, Miss Scarlett had a 0.05 molarity solution, and Tammy Tangerine had a 0.10 molarity solution. Because of the closest to 0.10 versus 0.05, 40% error is assumed, making Tammy Tangerine the murderer with her 0.10 concentration of calcium chloride.
Once this evidence was found, police tracked down and arrested Miss Tangerine for one count of homicide. Love can make you do insane things.